20s with some caution. GPS my way back to myself, I thought I lost it. Got 100 miles before I crack another smile. So the first chord is going to be D minor, which is easy because I can tell you D minor and you probably know that. So basically it looks like an A minor chord in, or E major chord on the guitar. But basically you're taking your ring finger, putting it on the second fret of the top string, and then you're putting your ring finger, so middle finger on the top string of the second fret, ring finger on the second string, second fret, and index finger on the first fret of the third string. So, and then the last one is open. And I think these are also the chords to that Moon song. And then look, the next one is C major 7, suspended, B. So what you're gonna do here is you're going to take the 4th fret of the top string with your ring finger, and then you're gonna leave this one open, and then you're gonna use your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and then you're gonna put your index finger on the bottom string, right, of the 2nd fret. And I think the actual chord that I called out doesn't call for this one, so it's, but I actually think that he plays that note in there. So like, I don't know if that name of that chord includes this note, because in the little diagram it has a little X, which I guess I'll like pop up if I can. And then the last chord is a D minor 11. And so when would you learn a D minor 11? I don't know. I didn't learn it until now. So basically it looks like a D minor 7 chord, and from guitar. And you're gonna take your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. So this one's open, and then the 2nd string is with your middle finger. And then this one is your index finger going on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and your ring finger is going on the 3rd fret of the last string, the 4th string. So that's that chord, right? So and I zoom right on past my problems, Eddie in my head, I ain't got time to solve them. He's a picture early 20s with some caution. GPS my way back to myself, I thought I lost it. Got 100 miles before I crack another smile though. You got it. So now you can play Zoom by Kyle. And it actually sounds pretty good on the uke, so I hope you enjoy that. I hope me actually looking up what the chords were reduced the stress of not knowing the musical notes of it. So I'll try to add the little diagrams to the video using the Over app, and then I'll upload this video to YouTube. But I hope you guys are liking my return to this tutorial thing. I think if I can do at least 1 tutorial a week, it's great. But if I can do 2 tutorials a week, that's even more great, right? Like, because the only reason I'm doing the tutorials is because I finally learned the song. And once I've learned the song, I'm like, you know, I'm probably not going to cover this well. So, you know, at the very least, I can share the knowledge of having learned the song on the uke, or having learned it on guitar a different way than normal chords on Google will show you with annoying ads and stuff like that. At least this will be kind of like a little bit of a break from that, and kind of just hey, this is how I figured it out, and I think it sounds pretty good. If you want to play this and put your spin on it, I think you can. And I didn't see any acoustic covers of this. At least I didn't even look for it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope I see your cover, and I hope you comment if you make a cover using my chords. Tag me on social media. I'm Benny Booch on Instagram, and if you want to buy a bag and support my side business, I have a business where I sell backpacks made out of hemp, bags from beyond on Etsy. 10% of the total sale goes towards initiatives that try to heal toxic masculinity. I think it's a big problem. I think it's gonna take a while to solve this problem, but at the very least, I can donate 10% of the sales of my bag business towards initiatives that try to solve that. So, have a great day.